Here at Martelli, we have 3 brand new products, and we're going to give you special pricing on each one. This is the Notions Organizer. This is a tray with the no slip on the bottom, and it has different compartments with the no slip, so you can put any notion. You can use this on any table, on any tilt. The next one we have, and this one seems to be the fan favorite so far, this is our remote tray. In each one of these sections, we have our no slip. So when we're taking advantage of the Martelli tables and we're taking advantage of those tilts so it's ergonomically correct on our body, we want to be able to put all of our stuff on our table and not ever worry about it sliding off. So I made a spot for your rotary cutter, and of course we're always looking for those blades if we ever need to replace it. So I put a spot for the 60mm blade tin where you can put your extra blades. I made a slot for your 45mm blades for your extra blades, so your cutter, your extra blades, and of course we're always trying to find that remote. So we made a place that you can just put your remote in there with the no slip, and then we left another portion that's wide open so you can put cell phones and any other thing that you want in your remote tray. The last one, and this is really, really cool, and you can check out this on the picture. Anybody that has an AccuQuilt that uses die cuts, this is a die cut support for the AccuQuilt. It's very, very easy to assemble, and what happens is when those die cuts come out of the AccuQuilt, they want to fall. If you have an AccuQuilt, you already know what I'm talking about. The dies come out and it wants to fall and it wants to push up on that AccuQuilt. So we made a platform that adds to the AccuQuilt. So when the die cuts come out, it has a support, so the die cuts are never pushing on the upper part of the machine, and it accommodates the largest die cut that they make. So this is anybody that has the AccuQuilt and uses dies to cut. So these are 3 brand new products. This was backed by popular demand, and of course this has been a fan favorite. So you can check this out in our email. We're going to give you prices on this. We're going to give you the retail price, and then we're going to give you an introductory price. And it's only good through the weekend, so please take advantage. One more time, this is the remote tray, this is the Notions Organizer, and this is the die cut platform for the AccuQuilt. So take advantage of one of these 3 products. That's why we're sending these emails to you, so you can take full advantage and get special pricing. Thank y'all.